Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Netflix, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Netflix and sign in. Using Netflix is quite simple. To browse movies and shows, you can scroll down on the homepage. Another method to browse the movies is through the tabs at the top. Tap TV shows to view the list of TV shows, and tap genres to view all the genres included. Likewise, tap movies for the list of movies, and tap latest to view the list of the latest shows and movies. The My List tab includes the movies and shows that you have queued up to watch later. And the Watch It Again tab consists of the shows and movies that you have already watched. If you already know what to watch, tap the search icon. Type in the name and the results will be shown. You can also search for genres and people here. When you find the one to watch, hover over it and tap play. Here you can pause and play, rewind and fast forward 10 seconds, adjust the volume, change the language of the audio and subtitles, adjust the speed of the video, and go to full screen. You can also add it to your list, like, dislike, and even remove it from your continue watching list. And that's how you use Netflix. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.